Hey guys, just a quick oil change. Got some Castrol Edge here. We're just gonna do a quick oil change on the car, so just popped around to our local Midas. Got a Z167 oil filter because you can use these on the Mustang, thank God. Otherwise I had to import again and I wasn't this for that. Fuel filter I'll need to import, but at least we got the oil filter so we can do an oil change. I must say this Midas is pretty legit since they moved from Paro to Goodwood. You can see it looks pretty legit.
Much better for us.
So yeah, much better for us. Anyway, thanks. Just get this sorted and get the oil change done on the Mustang. It's gonna be pretty legit. Anyway, peace guys. So we actually got the car jacked up, busy with the oil change right now. Just let all the oil out. And car's jacked up. We took the oil lid off just so that the oil runs out a bit faster. Where's my finger? There it is, right there. And then we're going to be replacing the oil and the oil filter. Got a new oil filter, and we're supposed to be running Mobile 1, but Mobile 1 they don't sell in Cape Town or South Africa anymore. So got the Castrol Edge, the 10W60. That was recommended to me by Wayne from Ackerman Motors, and he knows his stuff. So yeah, going with his recommendation rather than my own. He's got the best results, he said, for our cooler climates and our warmer climates. So all around the best oil for these motors. So yeah. Just throwing in the oil now. Filling it up with a synthetic.
It's a 5-liter can.
Yeah.
Just 4.5 first and check it, and then you will start it, let the filter get full, and then you top it.
Right guys, just finished replacing the oil on the car. Topped up, new filter, started up, let the fluid run through the motor, and yeah, she seems to be in tip-top shape. So everything's a-okay again. Alright, that's just a quick oil change on the car. It's very simple, that's why we didn't show you the process. There is a nut that you loosen, a drainage bolt that comes out, drain it, take the filter off, let that drain, put the new filter on, screw the new filter, put a little grease on the filter just to tighten it up, and put in the oil. That's it. Anyway guys, Ride in the Reaper out.